So I'm trying to show you some amazing mathematicians, and right now I want to mention 5 amazing Hispanic and Latino mathematicians, which is pretty cool. Ruth Gonzalez is extremely famous US-born Hispanic woman to earn a doctorate in mathematics. She was first in the United States Hispanic woman to earn PhD in math in 1986. And she had an amazing career. Definitely, I heard about her many times. And she was encouraging minority girls and women to pursue career in math and science. Have you watched the movie Stand and Deliver? Anyone knows the movie Stand and Deliver? It looks like this. If you didn't, you should. Right? It's extremely important. I met several Hispanic students, Mexican students in my classes, calculus 1, 2, 3 right now. They're taking the electrical engineering and some physics engineering. They told me in their families this movie was an idol of that you can do it too, you can be amazing, you can be in STEM, right? And then for you to know, the movie is about the real situation happened in California. And then the professor, Jamie Alfonso, was a school teacher in Garfield High School. That school did not even have GRE, I think, exams. It was a very, nobody cared about the school. You know, of course, government usually cares about the schools with good numbers, right? So that school was definitely not there. He made it happen by himself, completely by himself. He introduced math classes to students, made them amazing. People loved it, students loved it, and they start getting high GPA. And then they start taking SAT exams, and they start getting grades. He was accused of cheating, that he probably helped them somehow illegally. It was denied. He was amazing. He just knew how to teach. He was an amazing teacher. So for you to know, there's a whole Wikipedia page about this. And the movie was made, and there's a real students are in the movies. That's crazy that these people existed. So one of his students is Erica Camacho, and we hired her this year in our department. Yes, she's coming next semester, and her research is phenomenal. Not only that, not only she has a Wikipedia page, Erica Tatiana Camacho, but she received just recently the highest award in America that can happen to a mathematician. A president was awarding this award, and she was in the White House, and all of this happened, and she's amazing. It's the best award you can receive. It's called Presidential Award for Excellence in Science, Mathematics, and Engineering Mentoring. And this award is done on behalf of the White House. And it's for the outstanding mentoring by individuals and organizations. It's the highest national mentoring award made by the White House. In 1996, there have been only 4 women since 1996. Since 1996, there have only been 4 women awarded in math. So she is the 4th one. During a visit to the National Capital, award recipient received a presidential citation at the ceremony, participated in STEM educational priorities, and she received $10,000 from NSF to encourage more minority and more women and minorities to join STEM and promote STEM on behalf of White House. She was taught and mentored by the Jamie Escalante. This is her teacher, and she gives talks about it. And she says that she's lucky to be successful because her family had 5 kids. And when the dad passed away, 3 older girls had to quit high school and go to work. And she was lucky to be the 4th one. So she stayed in schools because her sisters sacrificed her education. And she was so grateful to this. She was keep pushing. And at some point she went to graduate school, and none of her family knew what that was. And she finished, became PhD, and now the whole world knows about her, and she's in our math department at ASU now. We already hired her right now. She's right now got a huge Fulbright award, if you know what it is. It's International Research Award for Professors. She's in France doing her research, and she's gonna come back next semester. So she is in the movie Stand and Deliver again. Her research is about mathematics, biology, physiology, sociology, and involves modeling generative eye diseases. So they are treating cataract and other diseases. Gene networks with yeast, social networks, alcohol effects on the neurons, fungi resistance, and so on. So this is her receiving the award. She's a very amazing person. I met with her. She is an idol for many families because definitely the way her career was is phenomenal. But also for you to know that part of her contract was to give her here at ASU a mice lab. So she will have rat and mice lab on Tempe campus. And what they do research on ice And France has the biggest eyes in a research lab, so she's working with them. And now here at ASU, that means all students can actually now join her. You can do internship with her. You can do summer research with her. We have REU for undergraduate students starting first year, right? So she will be here. You can work with her on this amazing math bio stuff she does. And she's so excited because she wants to have students, undergraduate students, graduate students, postdocs working with her. And she's just phenomenal. Definitely, I was part of the hiring committee as a diversity representative when we were hiring her, and her talks are phenomenal. She's phenomenal. So we're proud to say that she is now at ASU starting next semester. Erica Tatiana Camacho. It was a very big catch. When they talk about her in TED Talks, in Wikipedia, and on TV, they mention her path, and then they say, hired by Arizona State University Math Department. Pretty cool. So look, congratulations. You better figure out. You better contact her. And she's a very nice person, by the way. She's very good. She's a good mentor. So don't wonder.